Hi guys, welcome to Tam Talk Show. Today is going to be a moral story. That should we get vaccine of COVID or should we not? So I hope you enjoy my today's moral story. It has took a lot of time to make it. So yeah, you guys see the moral story and I will also be narrating the story. So I am also the narrator. So yeah, let's start on. Hi Ananya. Hi Riya. So what have you decided on taking the vaccine? So are you going to take the vaccine or you're not going to take the vaccine? I have decided to take the vaccine. It's better for me. So don't you know about that person in Switzerland that took both the doses of the vaccine and after 1 week he came positive. So either we are going to get the COVID. So what's the point of taking the vaccine? Yes, I know. After taking the vaccine, it is not compulsory that you won't get COVID. But out of the 100% chances, 90% of the chances say you won't get COVID. And if you even get COVID, you won't get that serious kind. You will recover in 5-6 days. So yeah, it's better to take the vaccine. So we even do home remedies and exercises, yogas. And from home remedies, I remember I just made kara. Do you want some? Yeah, I would love some kara. Here. So yeah, I was telling that only. So yeah, it's very risky to take the vaccine right now. So yeah, if I think so, after we get the vaccine, we at least can throw house parties. We don't have to wear masks anywhere. And yeah, that's so good. And even no social distancing. And we don't even have to put sanitizer right now. My hand is so rough from all that sanitizer. So yeah, that's pretty good. We don't have to do all that. So that may be a plus point of taking the vaccine. Thank you for the kara. The kara is pretty nice though. But Ananya, you are completely wrong. Because even after we take the vaccine, we can't have gatherings, or we have to compulsory wear masks. We have to put sanitizer, and yeah, so we can't do all that because we still have chances of getting COVID even after getting the vaccination. So yeah, you cannot do all that. That's completely wrong. You still have to take all the precautions. Wait, if we still have to do all that, then what's the point of taking the vaccine anyways? It's just so pointless. For me, I think so. Your wish, you can take the vaccine, but I really think you should not take the vaccine. And don't you know about the side effects of the vaccine? You get fever, muscle pains, joint pains, even soreness on the place where you took the vaccine. So overall, it is really painful. But again, it's your choice of taking the vaccine or not. All these side effects of after we take any vaccine. So yeah, that's completely normal and okay. And yeah, we need to take care of ourselves for 2-3 days and not more. And then we'll be completely fine. And our antibodies will also get built up. So yeah, I think that's very good that I'm going to take the vaccine. It's completely your choice that you want to take the vaccine or not, but I'm completely going to take the vaccine. And the main thing that after you take the vaccination, you can again get COVID. So yeah, what's the point then? Like I said before, after we take the vaccine, COVID is possible. We can get COVID, but the only thing is we'll have less chances of getting serious if we even get COVID. Yeah, that because the antibodies are already there, so it will fight through COVID faster. If you haven't taken the vaccine, you can even get serious. That's why I'm going to take the vaccine. And don't you know about the theories? After you take the vaccine, in some months you will die. But the other theory is you will turn into robots after some months when you take the vaccine. So yeah, what about then that? Okay, so this is all completely fake because most of the politicians, scientists, doctors are already vaccinated. And like, who will even do all this? And where do you even get this stuff? This is all just fake, and this only scares the people and makes panic around them. So yeah, this is all not real. So please do not believe in all this. And where did you get this stuff from? WhatsApp forwards. Come on, this is WhatsApp University. Like this, all these forwards and all. So if one of the forwards is also fake, then you will send it to groups. Then other people will send it to other groups. So we just need to read the news. And all the important information about the vaccine and the COVID will be there. Why do you even want to read some WhatsApp forwards? Because 90 or 99% of the thing all are fake. So please don't believe in this stuff. And don't make me too, because I'm not going to believe in these stuff. And anyways, who will make us robots? Who will make us die? This is all just nonsense. Bye dear, like I have to go. I have some work at my house. So bye. Oh, thank God I did not tell Ria that this was my first dose of vaccination. And I told her I was going home, because then she would say more and more that why are you even taking vaccine? So that's much better. So yeah, I'm at the vaccine center right now. So yeah, it's my turn right now. Give your hand. Okay. It hurts. Done? Thank you. Okay, so I'm done with my first dose of vaccine. Now I have to wait some time here. Then I'll go home. If you just saw that Ananya got her first dose of vaccination, it pained a little, but it's completely fine. So yeah, let's continue watching the story ahead. It finally reached home. It's paining a little, but it will be fine in some time. I'm feeling a little hot. I think I have fever. Yeah, like it must be one of the side effects. A headache. It's really paining right now, but it's okay. I'll just wait for some days. And I'll make kara for myself, and then I'll be, I think so, fine. Here's my kara. So like distracting myself would be the best. So I think I can watch something and then I'll be fine. I'll move my mask before that. Okay, now let me watch something. This is so funny. Oh god, this is so funny. Time for some yoga time. But before that, I'll just have my kara. So here's my kara and I'm going to drink it. It's yum and healthy. So right now I'm going to go and do my yoga. Oh, the bell rang. I think what I ordered, the groceries are here. So before that, I'll just wear my mask and importantly just my mask, gloves, and the thing, I'll take the parcel from there. Here are my groceries. Now I have to sanitize this before. It's so cold today. Just got some messages. I'll just check them. What? All my friends are saying that it's hot. Am I the only one feeling cold? Super cold. I have to get my COVID test done. But anyways, I know I'm gonna come negative. So I'll just call someone to take my test. I'm not feeling that good today. My stomach aches too. Still not feeling well. Wait, I just got a mail. I think so my reports are out. Okay, let me see. I just think the normal fever and all. What? What? I came COVID positive. But I did everything I could. I drank kara. I did yoga. I did all the things. I ate vitamin C and all. How can I come COVID positive? Let me just take a few days rest and then let's see. Getting sick. Riya removed her COVID result, and when she got her results, she was positive. Now she didn't listen to Ananya and she was COVID positive. So the next day, I'm feeling worse. I should call someone. So cold. The phone's not here. There. There. I should have listened to Ananya. I called her. I hope she will be here soon. Ananya was working at a home and she got a message from Riya that come here urgently. So what did Ananya do? She stayed there and did not help her friend? No. I'm completely fine now. I have no weakness, no fever, nothing. Oh wait, I just got a message from Ananya. Okay, what is it? Please come here first. Oh, what happened? I'll just leave right now. Oh wait, she's here. Hi, what happened, Riya? You messaged me so fast that I had to come running. What happened? Ananya, stay away. I'm COVID positive. Don't come here. Don't come here. You will also get corona. I should have listened to you. I'm so sorry. Can you help me? I am alone. Now wait, I'll help you and stay safe. I've already got my first dose vaccination done. So okay, I can help you. Thank you, Ananya. You're such a good friend. I misheard you. By the way, did you get a vaccine? Guys, I hope you liked today's moral story, and don't forget to comment, subscribe to my channel and like my videos. So see you guys next week. Bye.